Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create Web 2.0 backlink, and also you can consider as per the profile backlink. So this is the website dashboard. So before that we can install something. According to Acharya, the domain rating is 93 and the spam score is only 2%, and this website having 38.3 million total visitors and the mostly traffic from USA. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So now we can start. So this is the dashboard. So simply we can click for the sign up button, and you guys will also consider for the sign up with email, but sometimes this website cannot send a verification email, so you guys have to check. After that you guys can go with a sign up with Google. And after that you can accept the terms and condition. And after that you can choose your what is the main things you're using these platforms for the professional work. Then you can choose your what you want to a type form to help with conduct research. Okay, and there you guys can start with scratch. And there you guys can add your company name. So there is also another things about your name. So if these things are required, so you can, but I'm going to delete these things. And there is also option to guys can add many things whatever you want. So first thing we can optimize these things. So there you guys can update your image. Okay, got it. And after that there you guys can add your brand name. Okay, in the description section there you guys can add your description. And now I can also going to add internal link, video screening software. This is a keyword for us, so you will add it. And the require you can select, and whatever the things you can want as per the lead from this website. So you guys can choose if you want phone number, addresses, contact information, or anything. So I can just add a rating. So you can see there is a rating are added. Yeah, okay. So I hope we have added all the things, and if you want to add anything new, so there is a multiple option to you can add whatever the things you want. So welcome screen, logo, text, and the Calendly also there is, so we can try to add Calendly more. So authenticate, so simply you can authenticate your Calendly and all details, so we can do it later. So this is a dashboard for the Calendly, and then there is multiple options you can choose, and according to your requirement you can optimize these things. Once you guys can complete this process, so as you can see there is a publish button, you can click over there and you can see this is a landing page URL. And now I can going to open it into a incognito tab, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's 100% do follow backlink. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project suggestion, or if you want to meet me, so I'm also living in Delhi, so you can follow my social handles. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.